Meaning of Henley.
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 Henley. Henley is a surname and a place name that originates from England. The name is derived from Old English words Henlea, meaning high meadow. Henley can refer to various towns and cities across England, including the town of Henley-on-Thames, famous for its annual rowing regatta. The name has also been used in various works of literature and media as a character name. Overall, Henley is a name with historical and cultural significance in England, associated with places and people who have contributed to the country's rich heritage.